Now, what?
I've been thinking about you all day. Are you gonna do what I want? We always get what we want.
We always get what we want.
I always get what I want. We're girls.
Hot girls.
So call us.
Tonight.
Is that the phone in your hand?
What are you waiting for? Pick up the phone.
I'm dumb and horny. Call me. I'm waiting for your call.
Pick up the phone. Call me.
Super sale, super sale, super sale, super sale!
Jesus Christ, people! You gotta come by Silly Sammy's Electronic Superstore. We got everything you need, and everything's on sale, sale, sale! Super sale!
Super sale, super sale, super
We
sale!
got everything you need. We got keyboards, type your email, type your letter, do some office work. We got printers, we got blenders, popcorn makers, TVs, hi-fi stereo systems, computer systems, stereo systems, microwave ovens, toasters, coffee makers, jam boxes. We got everything you need. Electronic power supplies, personal comfort systems. I'm out of my mind. I'm completely out of control. You're gonna want to make love to these prices. That's right. Look at all these fucking stereos we got. It's not a joke, people. I'm here to save you money. It isn't a silly thing, and I'm not silly, Sammy. I'm coming out of my fucking mind. I'm crazy. I want to sell you something today. Everything's on sale. Come on by and spend some money at Silly Sammy's Electronic Superstore.
Visit Silly Sammy's at 1625 North at Beachnet next to Ludy's. All sales are final, no refunds or exchanges.